Hey guys, what's up? It's Craig from Young Family Farm. I'm here with my buddy Jaden, well, my son Jaden. He's a little embarrassed, he's shy, he's not used to this yet. We're off to the feed store doing a little hanging out today. You know, something we don't get to do very much, but...
Hey guys, I'm Jaden. Before we get started, give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell.
That's right, listen at him. Ring that notification bell. Subscribe. But anyway, we're off to the feed store. Then we're going to go to another store and grab a couple panels and stuff for our barn. So we're going to make the pen for our kidding goat a little bit bigger today. Yeah, just come along for the ride, I guess. Too many goats on one table. So this is our small pen. We're getting ready to expand. We've got, well, we have a bunch of stuff over here where we tore down a trailer and got to finish burning it off and clean it up. But we're gonna go around and fix a bunch of our fence, and we've got this big island of trees here we're gonna fence in and let these three and then our other goats out with them. Let them do a little free range grazing, kind of on a dry lot right now. This is Tate. This is our livestock guardian dog here. Say hi, Tate. Say hi, Tate. Yeah. He's a lover. He loves some attentions. Yeah. Oh, don't lick my face, that's gross. You're keeping your goats safe in the mud here. It's muddy, it needs to quit raining, huh? Yeah. It needs to quit raining. Oh, I'm just a lover. I'm just a lover. All right, get back. Nope, stay in there. So this board here, we had to put it up because Rhea, or the light fawn-headed doe here, she likes to jump. So we had to put this board up to keep her from jumping the gate. And let me tell you, it is a head knocker. So this is what I was talking about. It's all in here. I mean, our property, it's all fenced in already, but it's super old. And as you can see, it needs cleaned up, and it's got old sheep and goat fence along the road. So my plan is to come out here, you know, the length of the road to this old barbed wire fence out here. And then essentially what I want to do is cut this field in half. So when they, you know, they can graze the top half and then they can graze the bottom half, or vice versa. And then while we're letting this grow, we have another section over behind the house that I want to get sectioned off, but it's a lot of fence. So it's a gradual process, we'll say. But once we get past this woods here, or I call it the island. Once we get past it, it opens up into this actual field. And then you can see where the old barbed wire is down through here. I mean, it hasn't been maintained in probably, if I had to guess, 25, 30 years. So it's gonna be burning down the old brush and putting new fence up to keep goats in, because, you know, barbed wire just doesn't work real well. So, but like I said, as you can see, it opens up into this big bottom here. And then we've got the woods, and it's full of vines and briars and, you know, all their favorite stuff to eat. We went through last summer and cut down a bunch of wild cherry trees and got them out of there. So now we can actually move forward and, you know, get it split up and ready. So here we're in the bottom. And what I would like to do is, like I said, section off the top half and then come right through here and actually give them two separate lots to eat off of. And then there's an old road over here that takes us over to the other side, and it's got a pond on it, and it's a lot bigger than this side. So, but that's for another day. So I want to show you, you know, this is full of just thick briars and everything in here that, you know, they can come in and, you know, browse on. I know they don't eat everything, but they can come in and browse and stay in the shade. And of course, I want to keep it done with either sheep and goat fence or horse fence, you know, no climb fence. So that way I can leave Tate with them, keep them safe. You know, our livestock guardian dog, he's 4 months old, but we got him from a working farm actually. So he knows what he's doing. He's bonding real well with them. You know, I'd like to eventually, when we get bigger, get a second one. Oh, look at that. Stuff in my beard already. I ain't been out here that long. But eventually I'd like to get a second one and be able to split them up in the different sides of the field. You know, have our registered on one side, commercial on the other, or however it ends up being. So I just wanted to bring you out and show you, and, you know, show you what we have to offer. You know, like Jaden said, go down there, hit that like, subscribe button, ring the notification bell, so that way you can follow us on our journey here as we update our property and farm and get our goats grazing. So as always, you know, have a great day, and hopefully you guys come back and check out the next videos. Have a good night. What's your guys' names?
Eliza.
Kiwi.
What are you doing?
Feeding babies.
Feeding baby cow.
Do you love the baby cows?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You gotta hold it more, okay? Thank you. You hold your bottle for a second?
Yeah. Oh,
There we go.
Oh, you love that baby cow?
yeah.
What's that one's name?
Honey.
Sunny?
Yeah.
What's this one's name, Eliza?
Oreo, but I go him as double stuffed Oreo.
Double stuffed Oreo?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, it just has more white on it than usual for an Oreo.
Right?
So double stuffed Oreo, just different. Mom says it's brown, but
I didn't hear
hold
that.
your bottle.
Daddy, I didn't hear
You can hear the milk going inside of him.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get it back.
You do it, Dada.
My hands kind of hurt here.
You do both of them.
Keely, why do we have Mavis over here in a pen by herself?
Because we're having babies.
She's having babies. How many you think she has?
Time.
You think she has 5 in there?
Yeah.
It's a lot of babies, huh?
Because we want to walk a milk.
Oh, because she has a lot of milk.
Well,
Maybe.
She has to have a lot of milk to have enough food to feed the babies.
Yeah. Maybe she has 5. Maybe she has 1. Hopefully
I
not. But
think there's 2 or 3.
you think
I think there's like 2 or 5.
4 or 5? You sticking with that, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Got a big booty hole over there.
And that one is a mini head.
Yeah.
He's not mean. He just likes to headbutt.
Yeah.
No,
he's-
I don't like to
The
headbutt.
baby.
That one don't headbutt me.
Yeah. Well, they headbutt because when they're nursing off their mom, they
Headbutt the
headbutt their moms. That way they can get in there and get the milk. And
They
Yep.
take me out of Mom.
yeah.
Yeah, because the nipple is just like their mom. Come on. You guys just have
Is that funny?
That one is already almost done. That one is just not quite eating.
Yeah.
I know. When we first got him, it took him like 25 minutes.
Yeah.
But it was also from his moving and everything. This one's really fast eating.
I want you, baby.
Come on, movers. Just a little bit more.
All right, guys. So that was nighttime chores. Well, a little bit of nighttime chores. So I just wanted to let you guys see that and bring you along and let you meet the girls. So, like always, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, ring the notification bell so you can follow us along here at the Journeys at the Young Family Farm.